Hey there, I'm William, and welcome to the channel where we make fishing simple, fun, and beginner-friendly. If you're new to fishing or buying your very first rod, this video is made just for you. Choosing your first fishing rod can feel overwhelming. Spinning, casting, ultralight, medium-heavy, it's a lot. But don't stress. I've handpicked 5 rods that are perfect for beginners. They're easy to use, built to last, and won't break the bank. Number 5. Mavllos RaptorII Tuna Jigging Fishing Rod. The Mavllos RaptorII is built for big fish and hard hits, specifically designed for jigging tuna, but versatile enough to take on other saltwater beasts too. And the best part? It's under $40. Yep, really, this rod is made with high-strength carbon fiber. It's surprisingly light in your hands, but still gives you the backbone you need for deep water jigging. It comes in both 1-piece and 2-piece options, so you can pick what works best for your style and travel needs. The handle is well built with EVA foam grips that stay comfy, even when you're battling a monster fish. No hand cramps here. It features stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts, perfect for handling braided lines without worrying about damage. If you're just getting into offshore jigging or want a solid backup rod that won't cost a fortune, the Mavllos RaptorII is a killer option. It's especially great for anglers who want performance without spending hundreds. At around $35, $40, the Mavllos RaptorII is proof that you don't need to empty your wallet to chase big fish. It's strong, simple, and ready for action. Number 4. Long Cast Fishing Rod. This rod is built for long-distance casting, whether you're targeting surf fish or casting far in fresh water. And the best part? It's under $50. This rod is made with high-density carbon, so it's lightweight but still super strong. Great balance for long hours of casting. Yup, it's telescopic. Easy to carry, store, and perfect if you're traveling to your fishing spots or short on space. Depending on the model, it stretches from around 2.7 m to 4.5 m, almost 15 feet. That length is what gives you that extra casting power. It's got a non-slip handle and stainless steel line guides, smooth casting, less friction, and more distance with each throw. If you love shore fishing, beach casting, or fishing big lakes where fish stay far from shore, this rod is built for you. Beginners to intermediate anglers will find it easy to handle and powerful enough for decent-sized fish. Long casting range, easy to carry, great value for the price, flexible size options. Not ideal for super heavy fish, might feel a little flexible for pro anglers who prefer stiffer rods. For under $45, this long cast fishing rod is a steal. It's great for reaching where the fish are without fancy gear or a big budget. Whether you're casting lures or bait, it delivers performance and distance. Number 3. Action Rods FUJI Components. This rod caught my attention because it uses FUJI components. That's a big deal. FUJI is known for producing some of the best reel seats and guides in the industry. And when a rod under $60 features them, that's something worth looking at. These aren't just buzzwords. FUJI parts mean durability, smooth line flow, and less wear on your fishing line. Whether you're casting lures or live bait, you'll feel the difference. The rod is made of high-quality carbon, which keeps it light, sensitive, and strong enough for both freshwater and inshore saltwater fishing. You can choose from medium-light to medium-heavy depending on what you're targeting, from bass to light saltwater species. Easy to carry and store, especially if you're a weekend warrior or traveling angler. I tested it with both spinning and bait casting setups, and honestly, it feels balanced. The action is responsive, hook sets are clean, and you'll feel even the lightest bites. This rod gives you confidence without feeling bulky or stiff. FUJI quality parts at budget price. Lightweight but tough, great sensitivity, looks sleek and professional, not ideal for super heavy fish. Might feel a little flexible for pro anglers who prefer stiffer rods. For under $45, this long cast fishing rod is a steal. It's great for reaching where the fish are without fancy gear or a big budget. Whether you're casting lures or bait, it delivers performance and distance. Number 2. Beast Travel Shore Jigging Fishing Rod. The Beast Travel Shore Jigging Rod is built for anglers who need serious power without carrying a full-length rod everywhere. Whether you're casting from rocky coastlines or fishing during a trip, this rod is designed to pack down small without losing strength. Folds down super compact, fits right in your backpack or luggage. Ideal for traveling anglers or weekend missions. Strong, durable, and lightweight. It's designed to handle big jigs and strong fish without breaking your back. Built specifically for shore jigging, which means it has the backbone to cast heavy lures far and fight powerful fish like snapper, trevally, or even small tuna. Available in lengths around 2.4 m to 2.7 m, with lure weights ranging up to 120 g. So yeah, it's a beast for sure. Comes with quality stainless steel guides that are corrosion resistant and keep your line running smooth, even with braided line. I tested this rod with a 60G metal jig, and it launched like a rocket. The tip is sensitive enough to feel the action of your lure, but the mid and butt section have enough power to put serious pressure on fish. Packs down small, perfect for travel, strong enough for big fish and heavy jigs, comfortable EVA handle for long sessions, feels balanced and responsive. If you're into shore jigging and need something that's easy to carry and tough as nails, the Beast Travel rod lives up to its name. It's affordable, powerful, and built for serious anglers who don't want to compromise when traveling. Number 1. Black Bass Rod. Let I introduce you to this black bass rod from Aliexpress. It's a rod built with one goal in mind, dominating freshwater bass fishing. And for the price, it's seriously impressive. This rod uses a high-carbon construction, which keeps it lightweight but strong enough to fight aggressive bass, especially during pre-spawn and post-spawn battles. It's outfitted with FUJI components, which is something you usually see on premium rods. These reduce line friction and help with casting distance and accuracy. Whether you prefer finesse fishing or chunking a Texas rig into the weeds, this rod comes in various power ratings, from medium to heavy, so you can match your style. Available in lengths from 6.6 to 7.2, and with fast-action tips, perfect for twitching jigs, working soft plastics, or even crankbaits. I paired this rod with a bait casting reel and threw around a 3/8 ounces jig. The sensitivity is legit. I could feel every bump on the bottom. The backbone gave me solid hook sets, and it handled a 3-pound largemouth like a champ. Great price for performance, lightweight and sensitive. FUJI hardware is a huge bonus. Stylish black design with sleek detailing. Doesn't come with a rod case. Some models might feel a little stiff for finesse fishing. If you're a beginner, or even an intermediate angler looking for a solid rod to grow with, this black bass rod punches way above its price tag. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get serious about bass fishing without blowing the budget. All 5 of these rods are beginner approved, easy to handle, and great for learning. Whether you're planning to fish in a pond, lake, or even off the pier, there's something here that'll work for you. I've put links to each rod in the description, so feel free to check them out and see which one fits your style and budget best. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more beginner-friendly fishing tips and gear guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always reply.